welcome back to PastorKims Corner. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and post the comments. And thank you for hitting that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. And today I am making some sugar-free, bakeable, pure organic cookie mix, okay? Let's try these and see how they are. The nutritional facts, 2 cookies are 80 calories, but let me let you know that the 80 calories, they have 16 grams, 16 carbs for 2 cookies, but it's 7 grams of fiber. So if you subtract that, you're left with only 9 carbs, and you break that in half, 4.5 carbs per cookie, I guess, depending on the size. And this says it makes about 16 servings, so that's about 32 cookies, seems like. Well, 1 serving is 2 cookies, so it makes 16 servings. Yeah, that's 32 cookies. So I know I didn't make 32 cookies, but guess what? Yeah, let's go. Let's see what's going on.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise.